99% of people are killing their social life because they use textbook English when meeting new friends.
Wait, what? I thought "how are you" was the best way to start a conversation.
It's the fastest way to get ignored. Today, you're learning how to actually connect with people like a native speaker.
I need this. I always freeze up and the conversation just dies after 2 minutes.
First rule, stop asking, "How are you?" It's boring and predictable.
Seriously? Everyone says it. What should I say instead?
Try, "How's your day going?" or "How's your week been so far?"
How's your day going definitely sounds much more relaxed and friendly.
Exactly. It invites a real answer, not just a one-word, "fine."
Okay, but what if they just say good and stop talking?
That leads to lesson 2, use the common ground technique.
Common ground? You mean like finding things we both like immediately?
Yes, but start with the environment. If you're at a party, mention the music or the food.
So, something like "this music is great, isn't it?"
Better. Try, "I'm loving this playlist, do you happen to know this artist?"
Oh, that forces them to actually give me an opinion or some information.
Exactly. Now, for the most valuable tip, the free information technique.
That sounds like a secret spy move. How does it work?
Never give a one-word answer. Always add a hook for the other person to grab onto.
Give me an example of a bad answer versus a good one.
If I ask, "Do you live nearby?" don't just say, "Yes."
So I should say, "Yes, I moved here last month from Chicago because of work."
Boom. Now I can ask about Chicago or your work. You gave me free information.
That makes it so much easier for the other person to talk to me.
Let's put all 3 points into a real-life roleplay. Imagine we're at a coffee shop.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm standing in line. You start.
Man, this line is moving so slowly today, isn't it?
Tell me about it. I'm just desperate for a latte before my 2 p.m. meeting.
A 2 p.m. meeting. Sounds serious. Are you working nearby?
Yeah, I just started at the tech hub down the street. It's been a crazy first week.
Oh, the tech hub. I've heard they have the best snacks in the break room.
They really do. But the coffee there is terrible, hence why I'm waiting in this line.
I'm Mark, by the way. I work at the design studio right next door.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sarah. How long have you been in the neighborhood?
About 2 years now. If you need tips on the best lunch spots, I'm your guy.
I'll definitely take you up on that. My current lunch is just a granola bar.
See? That felt totally natural, right? We just became coffee shop buddies.
That was amazing. I didn't feel like I was reading from a textbook at all.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and comment, how would you start a conversation with someone at the gym?
I'll be reading your comments. Try to use the free information trick in your answer.
Let's do a quick recap. Point 1, use "How's your day going" instead of "How are you?"
Point 2, find common ground in your environment to break the ice.
And point 3, always give extra details in your answers to keep the flow going.
I feel so much more confident about meeting new people now.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We post a new lesson every single day to help you sound like a pro.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.